What up, y'all? I asked the boys what they wanted for lunch today. Baked potatoes. But we just can't have nothing plain, so we're gonna make this guy badass. Let's do this. So we got here 3 potatoes boiling for what, about 5-10 minutes or so. Just don't you get them soft, because you don't need to cook all the way, because we're gonna cook them again. But this makes them easier to work with when we cut and scrape them out a little bit. That one looks like Edie right there. You see it? It's got the same expression and everything. That bubble right there almost looked like Edie when he was slobbering. You see, there's his eye, there's that eye, there's his chin. Look there, that's his nose, blowing snot as when he's sick and being disgusting. Look at this mess we're making. This stuff's getting sloppy like your mommy.
So now, we're cutting an onion. Alright, so we're gonna cut about 1/3 of the onion. 1/3 of the onion. The other half can go somewhere else. Now we got 1/3 of the onion. We can go ahead.
Take 1 piece of butter, put it down there. Take 1 egg. Put it there. Yes. Then we're gonna put some seasoning on it. A little pepper. A little cayenne. I don't, yeah. Basil. Whoa. A little. Not a lot. It don't matter. It's all going to get mixed up in the belly. Chives. Some of our pre-cooked sausage. Oh yeah, some sausage in there. Some of our bacons. Oh, we need the top. That's gonna be this guy right here. Alright, so there's our top. Cheese. Some bacons. And our top. Oh. Some of our onion. Onion potato mash. Right there. Now we can put the top on. Wrap it up. And we'll get that guy knowed. And then we'll work on our other 2.
Alright, so now we're working on our other 2. I'll grab 2 eggs. And I'll crack them. into the potato. And butter on it. And a sprinkle of chives. And then I'm gonna put some pepper on it. And some cayenne pepper. And some, ooh, that's spicy. Oh, it's all in my nose. Basil. And then some chives.
You alright?
Yeah. And then we'll put a little bit of that onion on it. Just like that. And we'll layer some of the bacon on it. Cool. Then we'll roll that up.
You completely missed the inside of the potato.
And then we'll wrap it up. Hey Dad, did you know that's Tuesday's Flag Day in Mexico?
It's been about 20 minutes. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, it looks soft. Everything kind of slid off the side there. But I want to see what that egg's doing. Princess fork. Yeah. I don't see the egg still a little bit runny down there. Look at that. Look at that juice up. Oh yeah. Look at that juice. So we'll put it back in. Now, let's see now. Top that up. It's hot. Okay. We'll squish the egg out. See it's yellowed. Everything's melted in there. I think we're good. Let's pull them all out. Cut them up.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new.
Let's try that. Let's see what you did here. Looks cheesy. But are we gonna be able to open it?
Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh yeah. Take you like a pill.
little spice.
Maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. You like a pill. In my veil.
Pretty good.
This is good. Can't even really see where the egg cooked in there. Oh, there you go. A little white on yours. Oh, yeah, I got a little white there. For the egg. That's one good big potato.
A little hot though. It's a little bit hot though.
Mine wasn't. I didn't put hot pepper sauce on mine.
I said hot, not spicy.
Still a little hard.